Hi, Phenomenal Dollar Beauties. Come back shopping with me at Dollar Tree. This week has been amazing. I can't wait to show you all the goodies I found. Dollar Tree is stocked with such wonderful items, especially for gifting and great stocking stuffers. We are starting off strong again with Christmas. These are new to me. They are so cute. I haven't seen these tags in the past. Some of the others that are here I've seen. Those were last year tags. I believe that they're a repeat and they're back in stock. These I love. I use these often because they've got little bells on them and they're so cute. Those are adorable as well. With the bows, it'll just make your gifting very special. These are pretty. I haven't seen these before either. I kind of like the three-tiered look. So it was silver and green and gold is what I saw at my Dollar Tree. And it's got just a little bit, a hint of sparkle to them. Very cute. And then I'm really into these bottle brush trees. That deep purple, I love. The pink and the deep pink, all really, really adorable, especially for the trending pink Christmas decorations. This was a $5 item. It's a really cute bell that's already embellished. That is like ready to go to just decorate in your house. You don't even need to do anything to it. Adorable. These I picked up. I picked up this one in particular, the one with the holly on it. I love table runners. I think it makes everything look so festive, but not kind of overdone in your home. There is one that says joy. And then this one over here with the red background and snowflakes, that is something that matches many of the other items that you can find in the plus section. So you can get a whole matching set like this. I think that is so pretty. It's a beautiful tree skirt for just $5. I think that that is a very nice quality item at the Dollar Tree. I know it says 3 down there, but it's scanned as 5. These are really nice. They're $7. You get multiple shapes, multiple sizes, multiple colors of ornaments. I think that you can get everything you need for Christmas decorating at the Dollar Tree all in one stop. Those trees I got last year, they are quite cute. And these I picked up for crafting. I got a bunch of these little ornaments. They are ready to go as ornaments, but you can also use them in any way you like. I am going to craft with them. I cannot wait for my crafting party this year with some of my best friends. It is going to be a really good time. These are wonderful as well. They have different size and different style ornaments. And these are the extra large ornaments. They're still in stock. Really nice stuff at the Dollar Tree this year. The Dollar Tree is absolutely getting all of the best stuff. I think that you need to check out the Dollar Tree before going to the more expensive stores because you're going to find similar, if not the same items for a much cheaper price at the Dollar Tree. All of those look so beautiful. These are hand-painted ornaments, and they have a bunch of different styles, and they are quite nice. I think that is a very nice quality right there. Of course, the gnomes are back. Dollar Tree is kind of known for their gnomes as far as every season having a different gnome. They're adorable as well. These are stocking holders. They come in Santa and penguins. They're $1.50 each. And of course, I love these tins. I think I showed you those last week as well, but they're still in stock. On to makeup. These are brand new brushes by Must Have Beauty. Now, I've heard some mixed reviews about these. However, I did pick up 2 to try. There are 2 in particular that a lot of people tend to like. And one is that one, the flat top foundation brush. And the second one is the sculpting brush. And here you're going to see every single brush that they have. Starting off with the flat top foundation brush. The next is the blush brush. There's also a fan brush. And this one is the precision contour, which I did pick up. And this is the angled makeup brush. And they have nice little caps to the brushes, which I really like. I've heard that this is actually a good mascara. LA Colors has brought out 3 mascaras, 2 of which are here. That one, which I hear is very lengthening and very nice. And then this one is a volumizing mascara. I picked up both to try, even though I am skeptical because I don't usually find good mascaras. This was in the box and I couldn't find anybody to open it for me. It is the brand new viral Be Pure Lamination Brow And then I did find this as well, and I found someone to open it. So I got the new Ioni Camo Concealers. They're supposed to be a dupe for the e.l.f. I hear a lot of people are liking this. I got all 3 colors to try because I can use the deeper color to contour. So exciting. These are brand new. I was so tempted to get them. They're Creamy Serum Blushes by Be Pure. I love serum anything. It is so hydrating. It usually sits so well on the skin, but I have so many blushes. I left them there. I may pick them up later to test them, let you guys know how they are, but they look fabulous. There are also some brand new color shifting eyeshadows by Be Pure. Again, I've heard some mixed reviews on these, but they do look very nice. I picked up one to try. I left one on the shelf. That one I did not get, but they look very nice. They shift color depending on which angle you're looking at. So what a nice surprise. These are back in stock, guys. I completely stocked up. I took 6 of these home with me because they are the absolute best sleep mask I've ever used. This is the brand new Rose collection. There is this Milky Rose Hydrating Spray and a Milky Rose Toner. Both look really promising by Global Beauty Care. I finally found the viral Touchland dupe hand sanitizers in cherry and strawberry. I have to tell you, the cherry is amazing. That is my preference, and I think it's the best one I've ever smelled. These are beautiful. They are makeup bags. Even my daughter liked these, which I was shocked at because she doesn't like anything from the Dollar Tree because, of course, I bring so much home. I think she's seen all of it now, and it's not, like, exciting to her. These are back in stock. They're very nice bath poofs. You get 2 to a pack. They're quite good quality. They're kind of a medium size, and if you see them and need them, pick them up. I've been on the hunt for these for a while. These are by Orchid. They're dark spot patches. They've got L-ascorbic acid and I think azelaic acid and niacinamide. They're supposed to help lighten patches. And these hand creams are still in stock at my store. They are the dupes for Trader Joe hand creams. I have heard that these are excellent. They're nice, they're thick, they are very moisturizing, and they have nice scents. These are repackaged. I don't think they're reformulated, but the packaging is quite nice on these, although I do like the pump as well. These are the brand new Natural Scents body powders. This one is in the Brazilian Sun scent, probably something similar to the Sol de Janeiro scents, I believe. And then this is in the warm vanilla scent. Both really trending scents. I've heard very good things about these. I haven't seen a review that's bad on those products. These are very nice. They are BioPure alcohol swabs. They come in individually wrapped little alcohol swab wrapping, so really good for a first aid kit. This is brand new by Yardley. This is Party Punch scented hand soaps or body soaps. These were quite neat. I've never seen this before. This is an aloe vera soap. It's micellar soap by Duru, and this is a regular micellar soap. I picked up both to try. I love micellar water, so I think I'm going to love micellar soap as well. Very gentle and very cleansing. This is another Yardley new scent of soap. It is jasmine and rose. I smelled it through the box. It smelled so good. I picked up both to try. I picked this up for my husband. He really likes body washes and he likes to try them, but they only had the one scent in my store. So this is Sugar Plum. The Hot Cocoa is the other scent. It was completely out at my store, unfortunately. These are brand new. I've heard some very good things about these body scrubs. This is Sparkling White Sangria, and that is Pink Sugar Martini. Both of them look really nice. Pick them up if you see them. These are corresponding hand soaps to the moisturizers that were just released by Spa Luxury. They look quite nice as well. I think that would really go well in a basket together. These were so cute because they had the little sponges inside, the little pieces of sponge inside the poof, which is really nice. I bet you get an even better lather with those little sponges. So blue, purple, and teal are what I found at my store. These are nice. They're brand new. They came in 3 colors. I actually got this for my daughter as well for a stocking stuffer. They are exfoliating brushes. They are quite soft. And they come in purple, pink, and the natural kind of wood color. Very nice stocking stuffers, very nice gift ideas. These are fabulous. I kind of bought most of them. I left one for someone else, but I love these claw clips with the bows. I got them for a bunch of gifts for girls in my family, and I think they're going to love them. It came in pink and white. I did not find the black. These are so cute. These are really trending right now. The claw clips with pearls on them. They're very, very trending. They're very adorable. And the Dollar Tree is stocked with all different styles. Very pretty. Even Madison Tyler came in with some with pearls, which I really, really like. These are such beautiful little barrettes as well. Last week, I think we saw different style butterfly barrettes, and this week I found those. This is adorable as well. They have little bows on them. It's a little barrette. I love it. And then the little bows on this headband are to die for. I am absolutely here for the bow hair accessories. This is great. I finally found the Evo mouthwash. I've really been on the hunt for this. I hear very good things about this. That could even be a stocking stuffer or a gift. But these were so cute as well, the little silicone molds in different characters. So, of course, we've got Garfield and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and SpongeBob. I love it. That's a great find. These slippers are just as nice quality as the others that the Dollar Tree have put out recently for $5. Again, with the bow motif, I love it. I had to pick those up for myself as well. And look at all of these socks and these little like pens, these like novelty pens, such great gifts for the holiday season. I really think these fuzzy pens are going to be very popular with younger children. Speaking of younger children, these shoe charms are also adorable. What a great stocking stuffer as well. Put them right on their Crocs and they can enjoy the shoe charms for the entire year. The Dollar Tree is absolutely on fire this holiday season. So, run, do not walk to the Dollar Tree. Get all of your gifts, all of your wrapping needs, all of these household items, all of these wonderful finds at the one stop, the Dollar Tree, for a very reasonable pricing. Follow me, guys, so that I can keep you guys up to date on all of the goodies that come out at the Dollar Tree. Until next time, take care.